If you're choosing between the Valtinsu Em5 and Em23, this isn't just e-bike versus e-bike. It's compact beginner fun versus full-size power. So, which one gives better value for the money? The Em5 is a smaller and more approachable option. Riders describe it as easy to throw around, fun to ride, and beginner-friendly because of its smaller size and lighter feel. Community feedback also repeatedly points out that it's compact and works well as a budget play bike. But here's the catch. If you outgrow it, you may start wanting more speed and a larger riding feel. The Em23 takes the opposite approach. It comes with larger wheels, a 60V battery system, stronger power output, and a more full-size dirt bike experience with around 40 to 44 miles per hour top speed. It's positioned as a more serious off-road machine. The downside is that it's heavier and may feel intimidating for younger or first-time riders. So, which e-bike is better for price? Choose the Em5 if you want a lower cost, beginner-friendly bike that's easy to ride and fun for casual use. Choose the Em23 if you want more power, bigger wheels, higher speed, and something you want to outgrow as quickly. Bottom line, the Em5 gives better value if you're starting out or want a fun budget e-bike. But for most riders planning long-term use, the Em23 gives more performance per dollar and is likely the better buy overall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.